Sand accordingly to NWFA guidelines. We recommend sanding to 120 grit. Vacuum the surface. Clean using Rubio Monocoat Raw Wood Cleaner. If desired, water pop the surface, which allows for more product penetration, resulting in increased color intensity. Allow the surface to dry completely. Thoroughly stir the oil in the can to suspend all pigment. Mix the two components together at a ratio of about 3 units A to 1 unit B. Once mixed, open time is 4 to 6 hours. Apply the oil to the perimeter of the room. Allow to react for about 15 minutes. Then use a terry cloth to remove excess oil within 30 minutes. Oil Plus 2C's technology will not produce lap lines when applied following the installation direction of the flooring within a few hours on the same day. Working in 50 to 100 square foot sections, or an area which allows you to apply the oil and remove the excess within 30 minutes, apply the oil using a pad, roller, or trowel. Buff the oil using a red pad. Next, use a white pad to evenly redistribute the oil and remove excess oil. Replace pads as needed. Remove excess oil from grooves and bevels using a terry cloth. Continue working in 50 to 100 square foot sections until the floor is finished. Once an entire room is oiled, do a final pass with the buffer using a clean white pad to finish the floor. When complete, the floor should feel dry to the touch. The surface is ready for light use after 24 to 36 hours. Full cure is achieved within 5 days. For periodic cleaning of the finished surface, use Rubio Monocoat soap. If the surface appears dull, maintain it with Rubio Monocoat Renew. When color wear is evident, perform a renovation with Oil Plus 2C in the same color originally applied.